everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is ariannamaee and I am into plus size fashion. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing part 3 of my closet clean out series, which is blazers, jackets, and cardigans. I'm really excited to be doing this video because I really need to clean out my closet. The idea for this video series was to post on Thursdays to not interrupt my original schedule of Tuesdays and Saturdays try-on hauls, and honestly to clean out my closet, show you guys what I'm listing in my Poshmark closet, and give you guys more content for the holiday season. I do have quite a few cardigans, jackets, and blazers, so I'm really excited to show you what I have and what I do or don't want anymore. In the description box, you will find my stats so you can check out my measurements and compare them to yours, and you'll also find a link to my Poshmark closet so you can shop my size. So without further ado, let's just get into this video because it is going to be a long one. It'll probably be short for you guys, but it is going to be a long one for me because I have to record and film every single item in those categories in my closet, so it's going to be a really lengthy effort for me. So without further ado, here is my jacket, cardigan, and blazer collection. This cardigan is from Torrid. It is in a size 0X, and I absolutely love the fit on it. It is like a boyfriend style cardigan. It does have buttons on it, and it does have this really nice stripe pattern as well. I really like the colors on this. I think it is really cute and goes with a lot of my t-shirts. This cardigan is from Free Press. It is in a size medium/large. I actually got this from Goodwill. I'm not sure if it's a cardigan or a robe, but I wear it no matter what. It is a long line cardigan, and I love long line cardigans. I also like that it's marled, so I will be keeping this one as well. This cardigan is from Freshman. I got it in a size large. I remember buying this when I was like 14 years old at Kohl's. I love this cardigan. I love the open knit. I love the fringe at the bottom. It is so cute, and I wear it all the time. This cardigan is from Merona. It is in a size XXL. It does have nice button down detailing on it and a marled kind of maroon coloring. I love this cardigan because it is a long line, and I love the wine maroon color on it. It's just so beautiful. This cardigan is from Preview International. I also got this from Goodwill. It is a size extra large, and it is a boyfriend fit cardigan. I love the green on it. I think it is super stylish, and I also love the buttons on the front. This cardigan is from Olivia Skye. I also got this from Goodwill. It is in a size extra large. I love this cardigan because it is a long line cardigan. It is an open knit cardigan, and it does have this really pretty like royal blue color to it with some pockets on the front. This blazer is from Torrid. It is in a size 1X. I got this blazer a few months ago. It is one of their soft blazers. It is a crepe fabric. I really like this blazer because it hits me at a good length, and I think it can go pretty much with any blousey top for my work, but unfortunately I won't be keeping it because I already have another blazer similar to this, and there's no point having more than one. This wrap is from Shein. It is in a size 3X. I really like this wrap. I love how vibrant the colors on it. I love the sunflower print. I think it is so cute. It would look really good as a cover up for a swimsuit, and I will get so much wear out of this in the spring and summer months. This blazer is from Ava and Viv, which is found at Target. I got this while thrifting once. It is in a size 2X. I love this blazer because it's a soft blazer. It does have a tie to it, but I must have not put the tie on in the try on portion. But I love the colors on this. I love floral. I think it is so cute, and it does have pockets, so I get a lot of wear out of this. This soft jacket is from Shein. It is in a size 3X. I love this jacket because it's very thin. It kind of reminds me of like a shirt jacket. I love the cow print. I love black and white. I love animal print. I think it is so cute. I get so much wear out of this. Sometimes I'll tie it up, and sometimes I'll leave it loose, but either way I know that I will get so much wear out of this. It does have nice snaps on the front, and I absolutely love this jacket. It is so stinking cute. I wear it a lot with jeans and a black top underneath. This blazer is from Torrid. It is in a size 1X. It is in a stripy geo pattern. I really like this blazer because it is a high-low, and it is kind of cropped, but I won't be keeping it just because I don't get a lot of wear out of it, and I don't see a point in keeping something if I don't get a lot of wear out of it. This blazer is also from Torrid. It is in a size 1X. This is one of their boyfriend fit blazers. I think it is super cute. I love the pink stripes on it. I have a pair of matching shorts that go really well with this, though I would never wear them together because that's just too much stripes. But I don't get a lot of wear out of this, so I think I'm going to be getting rid of this one as well. This blazer is from Torrid. It is in a size 0X, and it is in this hot pink color. I think this blazer is so cute. I get so much wear out of it. It is definitely a statement piece because whenever you walk into a room, everybody's like, ooh, Who's that girl wearing a pink blazer? I think it is so cute. I get so much wear out of it, and I will be keeping this. This blazer is from Torrid. It is in a size 1X. It is a tan long line blazer. I like the fit on this. I think it's super cute, but I do have other jackets that look similar to this. I do like how long it is, but I don't think I'll be getting a lot of wear out of it because I have a similar jacket, so I will be getting rid of this one too. This blazer is from Torrid. It is in a size 1X. I love this blazer because it's very similar to the red and white Geo one I showed previously. I love the blue color on it. I love how cropped it is, and I love the high-low. However, I don't think I'll be keeping this just because I don't wear it that often. This jacket is from Rue 21. It is in a size 2X. I originally bought this because I would wear it over sports bras when working out. However, I haven't worn it yet and it's getting really cold, so I think I'm just going to get rid of it. I love the black mesh paneling on it, and I love how it shows off a bit of skin, but I just don't wear it enough, so I'm going to be getting rid of this one as well. This soft blazer is from Torrid. It is in a size 1X. I love this blazer because it is this really pretty pink color, and it has this really nice tie front. This would be really good for like work outfits. I don't wear it often, but I'm going to keep it just because of the color on it. I think the color is so stinking cute. This wrap is from Torrid. It is in a size 1X. I love this wrap. I would wear it as like a swim cuff wrap or just in the springtime to show off a bit more color. I love the floral design on it. I love how it's like this mesh kind of detailing. I think it is super cute, and I know I'll be getting a lot of wear out of this for the spring and summer months. This vest is from Torrid. It is in a size 1X. It is amazing because this is part of their Marvel line. So this is the Black Widow vest. I think it's so cute. It's cropped. I would wear it open because it just looks better open. I love that it is sleeveless. I love the olive color on it, and I get so much wear out of this. It is so cute. I really like this jacket because it is Marvel, like I said before. I love the zips. I love the detailing on it. I love all the patterns. It's phenomenal. This jacket is from Torrid. It is a size 1X. It is one of their military jackets. I recently got this jacket, and I love it so much. I love the metallic buttons. I love the length, and I think it is super cute. This jacket is from Ambiance. I actually bought this from Rainbow Shops, but I love this jacket. I wear it all the time. It's a really good layering piece. I love the maroon color to it. I love the zip up. It's really thin and it's really comfortable, and it is really good for like spring and fall. I just think it's stunning. This jacket is from Torrid. I also got this one recently. It is this corduroy leopard print. I love corduroy, I love animal print, and I love moto jackets. I think this jacket is so cute. I'm gonna get so much wear out of this. I think it is really great for layering. It's just a really good statement piece because of how unique it is. This jacket is from Torrid. It is in a size 1X. It is an anorak jacket. I actually love this jacket. I love the cinched waist. I love this red color. I love how it's a long line. It's a really great layering piece for spring. That way, if it's hot outside, you can still wear a jacket but not be overwhelmed with the heat. This jacket is from Coldwater Creek. I got this while I was thrifting one time. It is a faux suede jacket. I love the color on it. It is very deep red, and I love how it has some nice pockets in the front. It's a zip up. I do wish it was a bit more cropped, but honestly, it's not that bad of a jacket. I think it is such a good statement piece. This jacket is from Torrid. It is in a size 1X. It is one of their tan anorak jackets. I love this jacket because it is an anorak. I've really been into anoraks. I love the long line design of it. I love the cinched waist, and I love that you can wear it open or closed. Unfortunately, this one you can only wear it open, but I wouldn't close it even if it had the option to close it. This jacket is from Torrid. It is in a size 1X. It is a crop jacket, and it does have some nice buttons on the front. It's made of linen, so it's very lightweight and perfect for spring. I would mainly wear this with dresses because I think it is so cute. This jacket is from Torrid. It is a size 1X. It is an olive jacket. I got this on Poshmark last year. It is so cute. It's very thick knit, very warm for winter, and you can take the fur lining off, which is what I do. I'm not a big fan of the fur trim, but it is what it is. I still love it. This jacket is from Coldwater Creek. I also got this one while thrifting. It is in a size 20-22. I love the color on it. I think olive is so cute. I also like that you can cinch this up as much as you like. I think it's so cute. I get so much wear out of it. I love the zip up, and it's so comfortable and great for layering pieces in the springtime. This jacket I got from Disney World last year. It is a Star Wars themed jacket. I think it is super rad. I love the olive tone on it, but I also love how it's a zip up. I would wear this open pretty much, but I love all of the patchwork on it. I think it is a really great piece because not a lot of people have this, and it is stunning. I wear way too much olive, but I think it is so cute. This jacket is from Torrid. It is in a size 1X. It is a denim hard jacket. I only own 2 jean jackets, and this is one that I wear constantly. I love the light wash. I love the hearts. It did cost me quite a big chunk of change, but I love how cute it is. It's so versatile. I could wear it with anything and I would rock it. This jacket is from Lane Bryant. It is in a size 18-20. I also got this on Poshmark. It is one of their destructed jackets, though it's not really distressed. I love how stretchy and comfortable it is, but I don't get that much wear out of it because I do prefer my other jean jacket, so I will be getting rid of this one, but it is so cute. It zips up and honestly anybody could rock it. It just looks amazing. So that is officially the end of this video. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and if you like me and my personality, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. I post Tuesdays and Saturdays, my regular schedule for try on hauls and plus size fashion videos, but I post on Thursdays for my closet clean out series for the months of December and January only. If you have any questions, comments, or video suggestions, please go ahead and leave them down in the comment box below. I am a smaller channel, so it is easy for me to get back to you guys. Links to my Poshmark closet and my Instagram will be in the description box below. If you guys have a styling Instagram that you are creating content for, please let me know because I love to support my fellow content creators or just my subscribers in general. I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye!